Garima. Welcome to Garima Toys TV. Today I have got you everyone's, even mine, favorite Barbie doll. You all must have one or the other Barbies with you and several toys. But today I have got a Barbie which is going to go to a shopping mall. This shopping cart is consisting of 25 plus pieces. So I am going to give you the entire review and a demo of this toy. But before that, if you're new to my channel, quickly subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the regular updates. So kids, let's get started. Let's start with unboxing. I am firstly cutting these sellotapes with the help of a cutter. All kids, you want to use this cutter all by yourself. Take a help of your elders. So let's see what's in the box. Let me quickly take it out. Wow, this looks really good, really good. Amazing. So many tiny little things. So colorful. Very nice. You can see this Barbie is attached to the string. So first of all, we need to cut the string. Let me just flip it over and quickly cut these strings attached to it. Wow, I'm so excited. So here I'm detaching the string. This is, I think, a shelf. This looks like a shelf to me. Let me take out the Barbie. She's also tightly attached. Let me just remove it properly. Good. Here comes the Barbie. Let me make her sit. Then this is her cart. Nice. This must be her shopping bag. Very cute. This looks like a billing counter. And these are small little accessories that we need to arrange in the shelf. This is, I think, for a counter only. And let me just open it properly first. Okay. So I'm able to do it. See, at the back of this box, they have given this manual kind of a thing. You can see and you can arrange your things according to it. There is a weighing machine which we can hang in the shelf. There's a cart with the Barbie and there's a counter. So I have taken out all the accessories which we can decorate. So let's start. Let me fix this weighing machine firstly to the shelf so that Barbie can weigh whatever she wants to buy. You can see there is a basket. So I am putting fruits and vegetables in the basket. There are other shelves. We can put these small miniature boxes to it. Let's take. Good. Good. There are other bottles. This gray one looks like a jam to me. So we'll put it in the jam shelf like this. Wonderful. On the other side also it's a shelf. So we can put this bread somewhere where the bread is marked over here. I think it's a egg shelf. So let me just put egg tray. Nice. And we am just putting the rest of the things, placing them properly. So I am doing it randomly. You can place it as per your choice, wherever you want to keep them, wherever you want to decorate them, right? So we are left with few more things. A small jam, probably the yogurt boxes. Okay, where should I keep it? Okay, let's just fix the counter. This flower and attach here. Then this comes with tissue roll. Yeah, it's a tissue roll. So I'll place it here. Another bottle. I'll place it here itself. So whenever we go to the shopping mall, we always see few things placed on the counter also. We just stick this counter number, quickly attach to it. It's counter number 3. Let's place the bag. Now, when we bill the things, they will be slide to the bag. Let me just stick it here. Okay. Wow. Let's arrange it properly. The rest of the things I'm putting inside her cart, the book, and other stuff. It seems like Barbie has bought for herself. She needs some more items. Now she will move her cart to the shelf. She wants to pick up some vegetables. She'll weigh those vegetables here and then put it in the basket. From the other shelf, she wants to buy something. She's taking yogurt. Wow, she has taken so many things. She's very happy. Nice. She's going to the billing counter to bill her stuff. So one by one, we will put the stuff on the billing counter. That will further be slided and her stuff will go inside the shopping bag. Let's do everything. Let's bill everything one by one like this. Very nice. She has got so many things. Groceries, vegetables, magazine. Wonderful. Okay, her bag is full. Let's keep the cart aside. Her bag is ready. Let's take it out. She will hang her bag like this and she'll go back to her home. Nice. So kids, how wonderful it was. It was so much of fun. And Barbie also enjoyed. She purchased so many things for herself. So kids, I hope you liked the video. So do give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and reminder, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Also, if you want to buy this set for yourself, go to the description box and click the link given. I will be soon meeting you with yet another video. Till then, bye-bye.